So, hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn about how to add purchases in Infinity Store. So, to do that, first of all, we have to go on purchases, click on purchases, and click on here. You can see add purchase. Click on add purchase. This will take you to a screen which will look something like this. So there you have to fill a few details here. Like first of all, you have to add a supplier from which supplier you are purchasing these particular goods. So to add a supplier, click on plus. Here you can see a plus button. Click on this. Click on business name, like I am saying, Infinity Supplier INC. First name of Mr. Supplier is our supplier is Mr. Kabir. So our supplier name is Kabir, and what's their phone number is like I'm putting a random number here. It's 7874787789. After that, you can see there are a lot more details here. But you can put what's their opening balance. Okay, if you have any opening balance of that particular supplier which is due. The best thing about Infinity Store or this backend is that you can manage your suppliers, customers from a single place. Like he has an opening balance of 1,000 rupees that I have to pay to him, and you can select the pay term, how much time you take to pay them. So you can select it months and days. Like I have a 1 month pay term. I purchase the goods today and I will pay him after 1 month, so I can do that too. After that, you can click on save. The mandatory details in while adding a supplier is it's his business name, his first name, and his phone number. That's the mandatory detail. All of the rest is an optional. So we'll click on save, and here you can see there is supplier created by the name of Kabir. Here you have to select the purchase status. Yes, you can see there are three statuses here: received, pending, and ordered. So you can put that received if you have received the goods, and after that you are adding the purchase. So click on received here. I'm clicking on received. Here I have to select the pay term like 1 month. Okay. Here you can attach the document. The maximum file size is 100 MB. You can type allowed file type as PDF, CSV, zip, docs, JPG, PNG. So you can attach the particular receipt you received here for your uh, for your accounting purposes. You can add the bill here with this while adding the purchase. So let's start. Like I have bought Fortune refined oil. I will search the Fortune here. So I will click on Fortune refined oil. Here you can see this will come something like that. So here you can see the product name is Fortune refined oil. This is its SKU number. My current stock is 100 liters. Here I can write the purchase quantity, unit before purchase. Okay. So here you can see the unit before tax, product tax. I can select the product tax. So I will select the product tax with GST at the rate 5%. So my total cost would be 100 rupees after GST. And here you can see my unit selling price is this. So I bought 50 more liters of Fortune refined oil, and here you can see it change itself that the total amount is 5,000. Total item is 50. Not total amount due is 5,000. Here you can select the discount type. You have to discount. If you received any trade discount or any kind of discount, you can add it here. So like I have received a 5% discount this on this order. So I will write 5 here. So you can see there is a discount here which is 250 rupees. So the total amount purchased total is 407.50 rupees. So this is how you add a existing product into the system. So if you purchase a product which is already added into the system, so what if the product does not exist? Like there is a new product that come into the shop. Like I bought some shampoos from that particular supplier, which is a new product in my shop. So what I will do is I will click on add on new product. I will write the product name like I brought Clinic Plus 250 ml. So SKU number I will leave it blank. I will select it in pieces. I will select the category here. Since I have told you earlier and I am telling you again, selecting the categories and the subcategories is the most important part in Infinity Store. If you don't select the subcategory, these products will not show into your app. So please select the category and subcategory. Here I will select the alert quantity like I have 50. Here I can write the description here of the product. Like if a product is like uh, this shampoo is good for your hair. I'm writing a dummy description here. I'm writing a dummy description here. After that, you can select the applicable text. Like there is applicable text of GST 5%. I will select that. Selling price tag is inclusive. So my default purchase price of this particular product is 100 rupees. My selling price is 115 rupees. MRP on this product is 120 rupees. So you can see my margin is this, my excluding tax price is this and everything. So I'll click on save here. So here you can see that Clinic Plus 250 ml in new product is added here. So I will write the purchase quantity like I have purchased the 10 pieces. So that's how you create a new product while adding the purchase in Infinity Store. So here you can see the total item is 60. My total amount net I have to receive is 6,000 rupees. After that, I have to write like if there any shipping charges, there any purchase tax you paid. Since the purchase taxes are included product taxes here, so you don't need to select it here. If there is like any shipping details, additional notes you want to put here, you can put them. Like this payment is due, and there is a payment amount. Like you can select the payment method, like you have cash, card, check, bank transfer, or any other. So you can select the payment method. Like I have paid the total amount I have to pay is 5,700 rupees, but I have only paid 5,000 rupees to the guy. So payment due is 700 rupees. You can see. So when I click on save here, it will add the purchase. So you can see date is this, reference number is this, location is this, supplier name is this, purchase status is received. Payment status is partial. So you can see grand total is 5,700 rupees and the payment due is 700 rupees. So I have more to pay 700 rupees. And if we go to the home screen, let's see. Here you can see if there is purchase due here, you will see it here. Okay, that the purchase due is 700 rupees. Today you purchase something that's due. So it remind you to the purchase payment. Like I have selected one duration in my example. So after 1 month, when the due date is there, it will show you here that the 700 rupees of payment of Mr. Kabir is due. Please pay. So that's how you add purchase in Infinity Store. So there is one more thing. Let's go back to the purchase here. We'll click on list purchases. Here I want to add this 700 rupees I have paid in, that I have paid the balance amount. So I will click on action. I will click on add payments here. You can see there is option called add payments. I will click on add payments. Here it's by default filled here that you have to pay 700 rupees. So I have supplier name is here, reference number is here. Okay, so 700 is paid. If you click on save here, you can see that its payment due is nil. Grand total is 5700 rupees. So when we go on to the home screen, you can see there is no payment due here. So that's how you add purchase in Infinity Store. If you have any other questions related to purchase or how to add purchase, so let me know into the comment box. I will answer all of them. If you have any other questions related to the Infinity Store and how to use it, please leave those in comment box too. I will make more videos for your comfort. Thanks a lot.